much juice can we get from one watermelon? This damn much. So today, you guys, we are making watermelon juice. This is a seeded watermelon, of course. Hear that? It sounds nice and hollow. I be swearing I know what I'm doing when I go in there. I be telling myself, don't know what the fuck. I just know it's supposed to sound hollow, but I mean, they kind of all sound. Now you can hear a slight difference, but I just be like, oh, it sound hollow to me. But I usually seem to pick bad ones. So anyway, I really have some faith that this is gonna be a good one. This watermelon was $10.99. $10.99, they all were. So I said, I gotta pick the biggest one, because I'm gonna get my money's worth, because $10.99 is crazy. But now I'm gonna have juice for like 72 weeks. No time to waste. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash her off now and get her started. Ooh, this looks like a good one. All right, so this is ridiculous, y'all. I really, realistically, I should use nothing but this watermelon and drink straight watermelon juice, because if I mix this with other stuff, then this is gonna last me a long time, and it's gonna get old and it's gonna get nasty. So realistically, I should just do watermelon juice, but we'll play around and see what we're gonna make today. Let me ponder over this menu I made the other day. So let's see, pull up my little juice list that I told y'all I had made. So we have our sugarcane, watermelon, key lime. I can do that. I need to do that anyway, because look, my sugarcane juice is sitting right back here. I threw it back in the freezer last night, but I have to use this up. So we'll do that. Then we have watermelon, pear, hard as a brick, great. So great. We'll nix that one. Pear and key lime, so yes, we'll pass on that one. We'll do something with the pears another day. We have watermelon, dragon fruit. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. We're gonna skip the dragon fruit one. And then watermelon, pineapple, and Naples, oranges. Okay, so here's the deal. For starters, I need to get drinking on what I got, because I'm working on this. This is delicious. This is sugarcane and some citrus juice. This is the beet juice with pineapple. And then this green juice. This has like broccoli, spinach. It's actually really good. And then that leaves, this is just the citrus juice without the sugarcane. And then this is fennel juice. This is nasty. That's currently what I have, what I'm working on. So let's get this watermelon juice started. I'm glad my mom bought me some extra jars for Christmas, because baby, I would not have enough. Make sure that y'all washing y'all grubby paws before you be putting it all over the produce, touching phones if you recording, and wash them hands. I feel like this right here is probably gonna be very close to the 32 ounces alone. Let's see. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. 16 ounces already. And she was ready to bust out the seams. Easy. Added some key limes. Oh, not quite 32, but almost. Need a little lime. Let's do 2. There she is. That's pretty much it. That's a full jar right there. Anything more will be higher than the jar. So I'm gonna clear this one out real quick. That's the light one. Still a little extra. Watermelon and key lime juice. We already know this one's gonna be, well, I didn't taste the watermelon, but let's hope the watermelon is good. Oh yeah, she good. Hold on. Wash my paws again. Sweat drop down my balls again. Okay, so now juice number 2, we're gonna do the watermelon and sugarcane juice. I'm just gonna throw all this in here, even though I know for a fact this is gonna be too much, but let's get it up out the way. This watermelon ain't no joke. Listen, if y'all trying to juice on a budget, get you some watermelon. Seeded, preferably. Because this is gonna do the trick every time, baby. It just happens so fast. Great, so now we're just gonna pour our fresh squeezed sugarcane juice up in here. She's still a bit icy, but that's great because the watermelon was not refrigerated. And I don't like warm watermelon. I don't know about y'all, but that ain't my thing. But that thing was too big. So I'm just gonna pour all this in here because it needs to be used up. So that is 12 ounces of sugarcane juice. 12 ounces of sugarcane juice. 12 ounces of sugarcane juice. Okay? So I don't know what the fuck that was supposed to be. And then we're gonna fill the rest of it with watermelon juice. There she goes. I know this about to be good. Let's taste it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. I got other juices to work on though. I can't get too crazy with it. 2 watermelon juices, baby. Fill it back up for oxidation purposes. Finally to the end. I'm hoping that this is gonna be enough jars, but I forgot about that QT cup of watermelon juice. Only reason why I don't like these tops is because they rust so easily. Like if there's anything wet left in them, they will rust and it can get nasty. So that's why you see those little plastic ones that I have that I bought for my other jars. They are in my Amazon storefront, so you can check out my description. But yeah, you gotta make sure these bad boys is dry to the bone. Fingers freaking crossed. I'm gonna need another jar. I already said I'm gonna need another jar. My camera died, so hold on, y'all. Look at this. I still gotta fill this up, and then I got the one finishing up, and then that's it. So close. So instead, I'm gonna put this shit on back and pour this nasty fennel juice in this QT cup And then pour the rest of this watermelon juice in this jar. And I know this is still gonna be a little bit too much for the jar, so, but that's okay. That's good enough. And then we still got about 8 ounces. Oh my gosh. All right. Watermelon juice whooped my ass today. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 ounces times 7. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. And then this 115 down here.